So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching V8Tech, and in this video we're gonna continue our last project, and we're gonna add some final touch to our project to make it more presentable. So without any further delay, let's get started. Okay, so first thing we want to clear this mess so that every time we execute the code, it will run in a new screen. So for this, we're gonna use a function called system, and in that function CLS called clear screen. And to use this function we have to add another library called windows. Now if we run that code, our output will be in the new screen every time we execute the code. So let's just log in iron and the second thing we want that the output of the every individual function will show in a new screen. So for that, we will use the same function called system, and in that clear screen. Let's log in our username, and it is showing in new screen iron, and there it is. And let's change our password. Okay, so now what we want that after the login the details of the user will come in a new screen. And so for that, you know what we're gonna do. So now what we want a divider in these two lines, like in welcome iron, and a divider after that line your details, and then it will show the details of the user. So for that we're going to make another function, and it is called, let's call it divider. And we're going to use this function after every heading, like in the menu function. Let's run our code. Okay, so we want this line in the next line, so let's just exit. And I want the divider to be long. So let's just sign up. This is also should be in the next line. So that's all for today guys. I hope you enjoy the video. This video is the part of our C project playlist. Please check out the playlist and save the playlist also. A lot of projects are coming, so subscribe to our channel for the future updates, and I will see you next time.